Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going over a product that I mentioned that I found in another video. I mentioned that I found this product in CVS and it was really inexpensive, so I grabbed it. And it's called, the product name from what I could see on here is called RK by Kiss. I'm going to show you the logo. See that? Okay, so all these prices were like literally under $5. This was like $3.99. This is like $5. This is an eyeshadow primer. This is eyeshadow. I found a lipstick that I think was around $5, and this highlighter which was around the same price. And I wanted to give you exact price numbers here, but I couldn't find it online. As odd as it is, I found the website RK. It's really just Kiss. I don't know what RK. I can't find anything with RK. It's just odd because I cannot find this product RK by Kiss online. I don't know, like I'm finding Kiss online, and when I look, I Google just these actual, like I'll put in RK by Kiss, all over glow, highlighting powder, and nothing comes up. I just get the bronzer. I can't find an official website for this. I found like a couple of people using it, but I want like an official website. I don't understand it. I can't find, oh wait, did I find the magic? I did find the primer. I found the eyeshadow primer. So I kind of give up. I didn't even look for the lipstick because I'm like, well, I don't know what to do. But I said I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do it. So if you like this, and we don't even know if we like the product yet, so if you like it, I don't know, I'll try to keep searching and find it, but maybe you can find it and let me know if you find it. Put the link in the bottom, please, because it's a mystery to me now. But okay, let's move on. I already have foundation on. My face is pretty much done, except for the highlighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this eyeshadow primer. Okay, so last night was my daughter's sweet 16, and I'm not sure if you saw the video. It should have posted a couple of days before this video posts, and it was so much fun. We had a great time. She really had a good time. I think my makeup came out okay. Came out really nice, actually. A little TMI, I was a little annoyed because I got my period like 2 days early, and at my age now it's kind of like, is it going to come a little early? Is it going to come a little late? Yeah, so I was so not happy, and you know, nobody believes like, oh, you look the same, you look fine. No, I'm bloated, and people don't believe me. Like I literally become like a dress size or 2 bigger, like, and I don't care about so much that, but like you want your dress to fit the way it was supposed to fit, you know. And I was eating so good like weeks before to, you know, to look decent, and not that I didn't look decent, but the dress would have felt better on me. I would have felt more comfortable, besides the fact that my dress was pale pink, so I was like paranoid that I was gonna like leak through or something, and you know, it just kind of like makes the night uncomfortable. So I was so upset. And then sure enough, I wake up today and it's just such a different day. I feel like I shed like 10 pounds and I slipped the dress right on. It's nice and comfortable. I'm like, why? One day, one more day. But we had a good time, and it wasn't about me. It's about my daughter. So it doesn't matter. We had a good time. I didn't let it bother me. Okay, so this is kind of a cool, it's cute packaging. Eyeshadow primer. Let's see. Ooh, that's light. Alright, well that might be good. Should I use my fingers? I always use my fingers. I'll use my fingers here and see how it feels. Alright. I think I put a little too much on that side. It's very, it's not as dry, it's more like a creamier look. I actually like that. So, yeah. Let me crack open this shadow. It's gorgeous out too. The weather yesterday and the weather today is beautiful. Finally, I think it's coming. It better be here to stay though. I mean it, Mother Nature. I hope you're listening. Okay, so these colors are so pretty. I hope they come out nice because the colors look so pretty. Right? You see those colors? There's some shimmer, there's some mattes. So you got a little mix of both. Okay, so I'm going to start. Let me just, before I start, because I don't see a color I prefer to put all over first, so I'm going to go into my usual Naked palette, and I'm just going to do that first, this way I have a nice powdery base on. I'm going to go in, are there colors on this? No, okay. I'm going to go in here with this light pink color. I'm going to put that on my lid. And I'm going to the lid first, but it's not bad. I just want to get my mirror. So, okay. I mean, it's light. There is a little bit of color. It's light though. Let me go in, actually. I'm going to do like more of a transitional color, but I'm going to use, see, hopefully it's not as shiny as it. See this color here? I'm going to do that up here. That's actually pretty nice. See, I'm going to have to find this somewhere where you can put it. I got it at CVS. I don't know if you have CVS by you. And I thought, oh, let me go on the CVS website. Maybe I'll find it on there, and I didn't. So, I don't know. It's kind of weird, but so far I kind of like it. $3.99. Did I tell you that? It's a lot of like grays. I haven't used gray in a long time. So, it's like slate, like green. I don't even know what I would call it, but I don't know why I said green. I meant to say blue. But this color here, I'm going to go in. I'm going to go under that transitional like shade. I'll go back to my mirror. I watched the video. My daughter did her makeup. I had her come in here and do some film of her makeup the day of the party. And it's like, oh my God, I wish I could be that young again. Beautiful skin, beautiful eyes, flawless. And then I'm like, why am I doing these videos? Who wants to see me? Like, I'm like an old hag next to her. But, I'm not an old hag. But, it is what it is, right? Oh, I mean, look at that. That's pretty. This is a nice shadow. And I'm going to tell you, the same day I bought this, I bought a $45 palette with similar colors that do not look nearly as good as this so far. I'm like, this is what kills me. That kills me. Okay, I'm gonna go with this middle color here, the middle pink. I'm gonna go back over my lid and go to my mirror. Kind of make that pink again. Maybe I'll just go in and dab in the corner. You know, I like to get a little depth in there with this color back down here. It's a gray and it has a shimmer to it. So I don't know how that's gonna look, but let's see. Oh, that really deepened that corner. I mean, these colors are pigmented. And they feel nice too. Like, they don't feel chalky or anything. They're blending well. Don't have to spend a lot of money. I still can't believe this was $3.99. I cannot believe it. So, I want to go in now with the pink shimmer. I'm going to use my finger on that. Let's just try and see what we could do here. On the lid again. One. This is looking nice. It really is. I'm going to just take this light color. It's almost white. Just kind of brighten up there a little. I feel like I used to say I never get darkness in here, and now like I feel like suddenly I am. Let's start using concealer maybe. Never had to. Okay, I didn't even notice this plum color here. I would have used that, but I'm not going to use it because I feel like I'm going to become muddy looking because I don't want to mix too many colors. You know what? I'll put it underneath. How about that? Maybe I shouldn't have done it. It's alright. It's not bad. I believe this. I just can't believe how cheap it is and how nice it looks so far. And again, I bought the same day, I bought a $45 one that didn't look nearly as nice. Okay, what else do I have? Let me finish my eyes and I'll come back and we'll look at the rest of the makeup. Guys, I'm back. And I think this looks really nice. I can't get over it. $3.99 for this palette. RK by Kiss, Dear Diary Series, Break of Dawn, Unlock Your Story is what it says. It's a really pretty palette and I didn't even use all the colors in it. I really like it. Try and find it. CVS had it. I think it's really nice. Really nice. I can't get over the price. Okay, so now let me look at the All Over Glow highlighting powder. By the way, just while I'm opening this, I was going to show you when I showed you this this whole makeup line. I also showed you Stila eyeshadow, and this would go really nice with the coloring I did. But if you saw my other video, the Sweet 16, I used it and I did not like it at all, and that makes me sad because again, this wasn't cheap. I think I might have liked the copper color. I don't know if I'm ever going to use this, and I'm not putting this on here and ruining it, so I don't know. I'm not going to give up on it. I'll try it again, but it wasn't my favorite. I don't know what it was. It was just, and this is the second time I used it and I didn't like it, so I don't know. And while we're at it, I also bought that day the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, and I don't want to use it now because I have a lipstick on this RK by Kiss to try, but I've been using it and the color I really like, and it went on nice. It's kind of slippery. It's weird how it's like slippery, but then like as like minutes went by, also I'm like, oh, it's dry. It was so dry. So you have to wear, for me, my taste, you have to wear like a gloss with it, and then it's okay. It's okay, but I was just hoping that it was just, I could just use the lip color and not have to use the gloss as well, but that wasn't the case. What are you gonna do? I mean, that's what's so funny. I spent a lot of money on that, which nothing against it, but wasn't my favorite. And here I am spending such a little amount of money, and so far so good. Okay, All Over Glow highlighting powder. I'm just feeling it. I don't know if you can see any shimmer. It looks very pretty. Let's try it. Again, I don't wear highlighter a lot, just if I'm going out somewhere, so. And you know, it is Saturday night and I'm going nowhere. I think I'm gonna have to like get my family to take me somewhere. So my kids are leaving tomorrow. Well, except for my young one, but. I do see a shimmer, and again, I don't like a lot. So for me, that's a plus. I'm starting to see, I think it's a little more of a redder weird, because it doesn't look red, but I see like red. It's okay. It's not my favorite highlighter. It's not my favorite, but it's not terrible. I definitely see a glow. Can you see the glow? I feel like I don't know why it looks like red, pink, but it doesn't. It's, oh, maybe it has a pink tint to it. See, do you think that's got a pink? I thought it was just like more tan or beige, but I think it does have a pink. Okay, so I'm curious about this lipstick because I'm kind of picky with my lipstick. I never like anything, I should say. But, and this was, I was saying, kind of has the look of the Kylie, come on, my favorite, I hate these packages. Kind of has the Kylie lipstick look, no? See that with the drippings down the side? So let me put on a lip liner. Forever Matte. Oh, it's matte. That means it's going to be drying. Okay. It has a familiar smell. It's a pretty color. I just want to wait a few minutes and see how it feels. Because right now it feels fine. But I want to see if it's going to dry down to be too matte and too dry. And see if I need a another like gloss. But I'm going to tell you something. Lately, I always wear lipstick. I've always worn lipstick, not so much glosses. And I find no matter how expensive of a lipstick I get, no matter what, if I get a lipstick in one of these, which I guess, is that what you consider a gloss then? Even though this is matte, it's not gloss. Lip, oh, this is called lipstick, so I can't call this lipstick. I thought only like, you can only call lipsticks if they come in like, I felt like only these are considered lipsticks. It's like empty, but it says lipstick on there, so. Okay, it's starting to get dry. But it's not that terrible. It's not that annoying. It's definitely matte. I don't think it would bother me. I gotta be honest with you. Like, it's not a matte that would bother me at all. I don't feel like it's cracking. I don't feel, it's spread nice. I cannot get over the prices of this. Let me just put a little gloss on. I'm gonna put the, oh wait, I wanna go back and say something. So when I've been wearing these like lip glosses in the sticks, I notice my lips will start peeling, not peeling, and just getting like irritated, and I'm like biting my lips then, and I never have that issue when I wear lipstick. So I personally just prefer lipstick because then I don't have issues biting my lips or anything. And as I'm talking, this lipstick is not bothering me at all. Like some mattes would bother me that are too drying. I don't even need to put a gloss on. But I'm gonna see, let's see how it looks with the gloss. And I'm gonna use the KKK and Mario. And this is one of those glosses that's about to bother my lips. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. I should have just let it be, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm done, and I really am impressed. And I love to find something that is inexpensive and is really, it's not getting enough credit, and I want to give it credit, but I can't find it on the website. I mean, I could find Kiss website, but what is this? Ruby Kisses. Oh, maybe I'll look up Ruby Kisses, RK. All right, I'm gonna go look up Ruby Kisses. I just saw that in the back because it doesn't, I realize what that is now, RK, Ruby Kisses. It says it on the back. Okay, I'm gonna look that up, and I'm gonna hopefully find a link, and I'm gonna put it below because I love this makeup look. And it's not just the look, it's the quality. It feels good. Everything about it is good, like really good. I'm gonna use this all the time. I really am. Go find it. You will like it because I liked it. So that's my video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. And I guess that's it. And have a great day.